Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something truly fascinating, a real game changer that's unfolding right before our eyes. We're talking about the ultimate product demo, but it's not happening in a sleek commercial or at some fancy trade show. Nope. It's happening in the muddy fields of Ukraine, and it's completely rewriting the rules of the global arms market. Seriously, prepare to have your mind blown. For decades, the business of selling a fighter jet or a cutting-edge artillery system was all about impressive specs on a page and big promises made in a boardroom. A general from a buying nation basically had to take a massive leap of faith. They'd wonder, is this weapon truly as good as the brochure says? Will it actually work when it really counts, in a live conflict? Well, folks, now they have their answer, and they're watching it all unfold, live, on social media. Take the HIMARS rocket system, for instance. It wasn't just a line item in a Pentagon budget anymore. It became a verb. To be HIMARED is now slang for a devastatingly precise strike that dismantles an enemy from dozens of miles away. Or how about the Javelin anti-tank missile? It's not just a weapon. It's practically become Saint Javelin, an icon symbolizing a modern-day David versus Goliath fight. This isn't marketing you can simply buy. This is live fire. Real-world, brutal proof of concept. And the impact? It's absolutely seismic. Just think about it from the perspective of, say, a defense minister in Poland or maybe Taiwan. You're facing a multi-billion-dollar decision on what will protect your country for the next 30 years. Are you going to opt for an untested, shiny new toy from a competitor? Or are you going with the system that you've watched in real time grind a superpower's army to dust? The answer increasingly is becoming a no-brainer. We're seeing orders for American defense technology soaring. Meanwhile, the market share of Russia, once the world's second-largest arms exporter, is in freefall. Their equipment has been exposed as vulnerable. Their supply chain, well, let's just say it's been a bit of a joke. Who wants to buy tanks that burn like matchboxes, right? The world is watching, learning, and making different choices. But the ripple effect goes even further than just big weapons. This war has unequivocally proven that the future isn't solely about the massive, big-ticket items anymore. It's about the entire ecosystem. We're talking drones, real-time satellite intelligence, advanced AI, all working in concert. The U.S. isn't just selling a missile. It's effectively selling a connected digital age battle space where its systems dominate and seamlessly integrate. It's a complete package. A networked defense solution that proves its worth every single day. So, while the immediate and incredibly important goal of U.S. military aid is to help Ukraine survive and defend itself, there's a significant, long-term, and perhaps unintended consequence playing out simultaneously. A massive shift in geopolitical influence. We are literally witnessing the most effective advertising campaign in military history. We're not just sending weapons to a war zone. We're showcasing American military technology in the most convincing, undeniable way possible. And in the process, it looks like we're cornering the market on global security for a generation to come. It's truly a moment that will be studied for decades. What are your thoughts on this unprecedented situation? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the topics that matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.